Make is a powerful no-code automation platform that connects different apps to automate repetitive tasks. Step-by-step guide to create an automation. Log in to Make, go to make.com and sign into your account. Create a new scenario. Click Create a new scenario in the top right corner. Add a trigger. Click the big plus circle. Search for and select the app that will start the automation. For example, Google Forms, Instagram, Shopify, Gmail. Choose the specific trigger event. For example, new form response, new order. Add actions. Click Add another module. Select the app you want to perform an action in. For example, send email, create task in Trello, add row in Google Sheets. Connect your accounts and map the data fields. Map data. Click on fields and insert data from previous steps. Purple bubbles. This passes information between apps. Test and activate. Click Run once to test the scenario. Fix any errors, then turn the toggle on to activate the automation.